Hi, myself POORVIK, branch first year CSC, startup company, Deka Ventures, product name fan, product purpose name Helifan. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirement and feeling about the product as set by the customers during the empathizing activity. Time variable fan, temperature sensible fan. Define based on empathizing stage and considering the feeling and requirement of customers. Many features are added to the existing product. First, existing product name fan. For futuristic product name Helifan. Ideate some of the additional features to the added mentioned here. First, time variable fan, temperature sensible fan. Third, energy saving fan. Prototype. In stage, the real working model has manufactured. Due to the time constraint, advised to draw sketch. The sketch is given below as shown in a given figure. Testing. I request viewers of present a video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.